Welcome to another ABS online video. Let's go and find out what we're going to learn today. Looking back in week 30, one big final review this week. Two great topics and a little grammar. Yes, so what were the topics? And what was the grammar? Can you remember it all? Well, I don't think I can. That is why reviews are so great and important. They just help you to refresh, remember, review. So the two topics, the history of great countries and how clean, green electricity is made. Two very different topics. What about the grammar? Well, this time there was only a little grammar. Some of the weeks had no grammar at all. What was the little grammar? We only had grammar when looking at history. Hooray! So, what grammar do you think we used? Well, I guess you have to ask, when is history? Is it today? Well, no. When is history? The past tense. That's right. There were 4 different types of past tense. Now, can you remember them all? Well, past simple. That one was easy. And then no. 4. Past simple. Then we moved on to past continuous. And then past perfect. And finally past perfect continuous. Okay. Now, I think the first 2 are quite easy. The next 2 needed just a little bit of care. So they do sound easy enough. We will look at how each one is formed and used. We have some great examples for each country. Now, what country is that? Well, that's the country that I sort of got a bit excited about, because that's the United Kingdom. The United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. It's the country I was born in a very long time ago. What were the other countries? How did we use the different types of past tense for the different countries? And the other topic was making clean electricity. No grammar there, just lots of questions and information. Sounds like a great way to end the year. Yes, I think both interesting and really important. So, I hope you come back very soon. See you soon, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.